Hello friends, what I am trying to say in this video, you can see this is the chart of ICER motor and this is today's chart. Today is 17th December 2020 and you can see that as per our strategy 20 days simple moving average with bullish or bearish candle bar. On the first trade approximately 11:30 a bullish elephant bar arise at 20 days simple moving average and the second candle also start on the upside. So as per our strategy we should take a buy call on this point. I took a buy call on this point and at the same time I took a stop loss under this candle because this elephant bar is the logic to buy the stock on this location on this specific price because number first this is the elephant bullish candle and elephant bullish candle is the shadow of big investor. Me and you cannot make bullish elephant bar. So we have to respect this candle and at the same time we add our stop loss under this candle because this is the single logic that it arises at 20 days DSMA. That's why we buy this stock. So under the logic it's our responsibility to add a stop loss. So I add stop loss under this candle and now you can see that stock, now you can see the green line. As per our exit rule, whenever stock reach far from 20 DSMA, then we have to exit from the stock. Now you can see that the stock is reached far from 20 DSMA. You can see the upper portion of the line. Now stock reach on this point and you can see the distance between the green candle, the green line, green 20 DSMA line and the green line on the candle of the stock on upside. There is a distance. So when the stock reach far from 20 DSMA, then we have to exit from the stock. The same things happen. I exit from from this point. So you can see the fantastic risk reward ratio of this strategy. If we lose only one bar, one candle, and now I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, approximately 7 to 8 bar. So what a fantastic risk reward ratio of this strategy. Every time, this is the basic of trading. Every time whenever we lose minimum, and whenever we gain profit, the profit should be maximum. So this is the base of the trading. Always lose on the small amount and always gain on the big amount. This is the first trade on ICER motor and the second approximately 12:30 a bearish elephant bar cross the 20 DSMA line and the second line also start on the downside. So as per our rule, as per our 20 days simple moving average rule, we have to sell the stock when the first bearish bar, the second bar, first elephant bearish bar and the second bearish bar candle cross the low of the first bar. At the same time we have to sell the stock. So we sell the stock on this point and add a stop loss. I think I write wrongly actually, where I on the second trade where I write sell it's stop loss buy and where I mentioned buy it's sell. So when the second candle cross the first candle low, we should sell the stock, and on the upper side of the candle we should add the stop loss. So this is our strategy. Now we have to continue with the stock. Now you can see that at the sec at the line of green line, now it's also reach far from 20 DSMA. So we have to exit on this point. Now you can see here also, if we lose only a single elephant bearish bar. And now we gain 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 to 7 bar. So it's the risk reward ratio is the good things of this trade, that every time we lose a small amount, every time we gain maximum amount. And this is the target of our in the trading life. In the trading you cannot avoid losses. Every time the strategy will not work, but the successful ratio of the strategy is outstanding. It's 7 to 8 times it's successfully working. But we have to identify the opportunity. Don't search for the trade. You have to sit on your chair with the calm mind and wait for your opportunity. When your opportunity come, at the same time you have to execute, you have to enter in the stock. Then there should be not a single nanometer's wait. So if you do this, then if you learn this process, you understand this process, then you can make the money from the market. Because everything, you can see that everything is on a logical point. We buy on a logical point, we add stop loss under our logic, we continue with the stock till our logic is working. And when we stock reach as per our exit rule, then there should be nothing should be with wait for a second. When our exit rule comes, then at the same time we have to exit from the stock. So you can see that approximately 1.5 hours we took to trade in the ICER motor also. So this is the benefit of strategy. Always work with your own strategy, do backtesting, complete satisfaction, and then you have to take the trade, because your real money involved in the process. You cannot take risk with your money. So because it's the lifeline of your family, so please understand the importance of the money, or try to learn things, understand the process, then only do entry. So this is from my side. If you like this strategy, then you can press the like button, subscribe my channel. I am on continuous basis share this type of video, so you can learn from this. And this is my one strategy out of my 16-day trading strategy. If you want to learn more things, then you can join my webinar, which is happening every Saturday and Sunday weekend. So thank you guys, thank you very much for giving me your precious time. Be happy and best of luck for your future. God bless you. Thank you guys.